evening 8:30 and the food that I ate is super bad. That's why all this. That's why all this. That's why all this. That's why all this. So it's actually, I should not say it, but killing all my guilt, I am going to confess. That's also not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8. Actually, minimum 5 kilometer, but there are days when I have done 10 kilometer, even 21 kilometer, even 8 kilometers, all that different things. But minimum is 5 kilometer. So I am all set for going for a run. My headset well charged, then watch charged, and then the running bag. Phone will go here. Today I'm not going to take any water because still the morning 1.3 liter of water that I had drank is still there. So I do not need water for 5 kilometers for sure. So just the phone will stay here and my basketball shorts and sports t-shirt. That's all. So I guess I'm all set for going for the run, and today's run is really special in the sense that I'm running after having full day water fasting yesterday. Today it's morning 8 a.m. I had eaten food day before yesterday evening 8:30 and the food that I ate is super bad. That's why all this. So it's actually, I should not say it, but killing all my guilt, I am going to confess that I, despite all my healthy living preaching, actually ate samosa. That's also not 1, not 2, not 3, not 4, not 5, not 6, not 7, not 8, actually 8. So there were medium size samosa, not the like big aloo samosas. They're medium size samosa from Samosa Singh, and I ordered for 8. I ordered assorted samosa. They gave assorted samosa, but the reason I ate 8 because there are multiple type of stuffing they had. They had Manchurian stuffing, they have cheese, some stuffing, they had potato stuffing, and one more, and vegetable stuffing, I believe. So there are 4 different type of stuffing. They're supposed to give 2 of each. Paneer stuffing, right? So paneer stuffing, aloo stuffing, and cheese and some masala stuffing, and Manchurian stuffing. So there are 4 type of stuffing they were supposed to give, and I first encountered some stuffing. Because the worst part is I could not find out what kind of stuffing it is, and I was dying for the taste of the authentic aloo stuffing. And in the search of aloo, I ate that whatever that was which I could not figure out, and then I ate 2 paneer bhuji type of stuffing, 2, 3, I don't know how many. I keep eating in search of the potato eating, because I was getting literally frustrated ki when would I get that taste of potato. I was literally pissed, and so I ordered for 8, but it seems they gave 2 more, so they gave total 10, and they did not give any kind of imli chutney or anything along with that to go. I'm still okay because I was hungry, which is a bad. Eating at evening 7:30 samosa is literally bad. I will not suggest anybody. I have been running from last 12 days that day, but that day because of I could have gone evening run, but that day after eating those 8 samosas, I broke my challenge of running 30 days. I broke it and I had to eat. I could not go for running. I don't know. I was not feeling good after eating all that samosa to go and do the running. So I was so pissed with myself. Then the remaining, okay, I think I ate, yes, I ate 8 samosas, and for the remaining 2, I was like up to this much samosa filled, but no sign of potato. So the remaining ones I broke. They were also having paneer stuffing only. I was like literally angry like crazy and angry. I gave super bad feedback to these samosas in samosas. They're like all talk and nonsense, no authentic taste and anything. So I'm like super pissed, and I took that pissing nature on me. And the next day, I like, which is yesterday, I went for running, and then I decided to stay for water fasting. And yeah, it become like 5 o'clock. I was still not hungry. Then I thought little hungry by then, by 5 p.m. yesterday. Then I thought, okay, let me go and cook a nice meal for myself. Then there are still 2 samosas in the fridge. I am sorry, I know. Yeah, then those 2 samosas, they're not too big. You can call it like, okay, let's take the size. Yeah, this little flat ones, some masala inside that. Okay, just I'm trying to justify my bad behavior. Anyway, so this little triangle ones. So 2 the broken ones that I was searching where is potato. So those 2 were there in the fridge, and I was at the peak of my hunger at that time. So those 2 samosas I ate, and after that I was again feeling light and not feeling hungry at all. So I thought I discard the plan of cooking my nice meal. So actually the dal I was making today is soaked for making yesterday. So I left it soaked overnight. I thought I will make it tomorrow, and that could be the reason, because it was over soaked. That could be the reason that it was little hard and did not cook that well immediately. Otherwise dal should get cooked super fast only, but I don't know what is the reason. Anyway, so yeah, that's what I had it in. So it would be 24 hours and 12 hours, almost 36 hours by now. Since then I have not eaten anything but water and those small little 2 samosas, which I am so ashamed to say, but I am saying. So wish me luck. I still feel energetic. I do not feel any weakness that I used to feel of fasting. But I had not eaten anything, so I tried along to go for the bathroom, remove anything that is in my stomach, but nothing came out, probably because I had not eaten anything. The little samosas did not generate any output. So that's all. So I'm going for a run. So let me show you my calendar. So closure. These are the days I have run this month. So you can say I was continuing run till Saturday. Yeah, Sunday was 19th. When I did all this big blunder on myself, and today is Monday when I am going for run. Oh no, is this Monday? I am seeing the reverse, that's why. Yeah, this is 20th, is the Monday when I am going for run. I'm sorry. No. Yesterday I had gone for run. I have forgotten to write. Yesterday I have run for 5 kilometers. That is 20th. Today is 21st of September. So I am going for run, and I will try for 5 kilometers only. So this whole month, the idea is to do minimum 5 kilometers, but there are days when I have done 10 kilometers, even 21 kilometers, even 8 kilometers, all that, different things. But minimum is 5 kilometers is the goal. Okay. So see you after the run. Bye bye.
Hi friends, thank you for watching my channel. If you like it, give it a thumbs up and give your viewpoint in your comment section, and do share with your friends, and above all subscribe to my channel. See you in the next vlog. Bye bye.